Alright, Trekkie, you ready to go?
Oh, yes I am. Let us begin.
So, Samantha, you ready to start the interview?
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you call me Sammy Lucio, please?
Oh, yes. I apologize.
Oh, apology accepted.
So, Rufio, is it?
Yes, that is my name.
Okay.
So, Torek, you ready?
So, why do they call you Trekkie?
Well, I was named after Trekkie Monster who lives on Avenue Q.
Where are you from, Rufio?
I am from Las Vegas.
From Las Vegas.
Yes.
Now, what is a dragon like you doing in a place like this?
And another cousin of yours is the Cookie Monster?
Yes, I believe so.
When did you first find out you were in love with the stage?
Oh, it was so long ago. I was sitting on an iceberg in the Arctic, and a cruise ship sailed by. I climbed on it, and I saw people dancing and performing on stage. Ever since I fell in love.
Wow, that's inspiring, Sammy.
Thank you.
I don't know if I believe that, Rufio.
Why not?
Well, your accent, it's a bit misleading.
I find that insulting.
I'm not trying to insult you, I'm just curious.
Well, it still insulted me.
Can you, speak?
Do you share his affinity for cookies?
No, I do not.
No.
I do not share his
Not even a
obsession with cookies. No, I do not.
Would you like a cookie?
Oh, what? Oh. Cookie.
I'm sorry.
I do not like you.
What is your all-time dream?
Well, my all-time dream is to be on Broadway, a Broadway star in New York City.
And with dedication like yours, I'm sure you'll make it happen.
Oh, thank you. That means a lot.
Is there maybe, I don't know, a dragon I could talk to? Torek?
What?
You can take it.
It's a cookie. Oh.
Tarek. So, Trekkie, why don't you ever wear clothing?
What are you talking about?
Well, I mean, you are aware you're naked right now.
What? I'm not wearing clothes? Has this been the whole time?
I didn't... So, Sammy, do you think you could grace us with a performance?
Really? I would love to. Hold on one second. Ready?
Oh, good, okay.
Sunlight through the trees in summer, endless masquerading, like a flower at the dawn.
Okay. Stop it. Stop the recording.